Today we have two packages in our mailbox. Let's check what we have. All right. Nice. First of all, we have ps2 complete in box with adapter and cables. We also have controllers. There is some games inside, nothing else. We have another ps2. Do we have any games inside? Yeah, I think we have. We have another two games, Resident Evil, ATV Off-Road Fury. All right. I'm not sure if this CDs are a genuine one or fake ones. Not sure. Xbox game. Yeah, and genuine one. Yeah, this one is original, but we have the wrong CD inside. Killzone, PlayStation 3. I think it's a genuine one. PS4. Yeah, this one is original too. Not sure about this controllers. I think this one is fake one. More CDs. Crash Hour, genuine one. Not sure what is this. Wii Sports with manuals. Another ps4 game with manuals. That's nice. Mario and Sonic for Wii without manuals. Mario Kart 8, I think with manuals, yeah. 4 ps4 games: FIFA 15, 17, 19, and NHL 16. No manuals, with manuals, manuals, manuals. Nice. So we have we have 19 games. That's great. Let's put this to this side and bring the other one. Okay, the next package we have N64 without power supply. We have another one, no power supply. We have Mario Kart and Madden Football. I think this one is fake. Yeah, for sure. No Nintendo signs, so it's fake. I think we have another 3 devices. Oh, we have another DMG. We have tons of this. Yeah, we have tons of it everywhere. Yeah. We have 3DS original. For sure this lens need to be replaced. Yeah. No bin. It's working. Yeah. Do we have a mem card? No, no mem card. Okay. Another DS added to our collection. Okay. Nice. Pretty nice. Top screen is good and the other screen too. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you.